Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this string programming interview exercise playlist, we will learn string programs from the scratch. This is Java string programming interview exercise session number 3, concatenate two strings. If you are confident about learning, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon, select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. Third challenge is to concatenate two strings. Example, string 1 if I'm giving I like, second string Java programming, the output is I like Java programming. We'll get in the code first. So what will happen? S1 dot get dot next line means in our previous session we have discussed get dot next line means one object will be what input you are giving, that object will be stored in the heap memory. Example, here S1 I am giving as I like. So S1 refers this one heap memory. Next, S2 what will do? Java programming. So this Java programming will be stored in the separate memory area. So now S2 refers this Java programming. After that, what you are doing, I'll delete the remaining things. Not be required. So what's the next thing? We are doing S1 dot concat of S1 dot concat of S2 S1 dot concat of S2. So function execution always come in the stack memory area. So here S1 dot concat of S2 means what will happen means internally it will try to concatenate the two string I like and Java programming. So this will newly created here I like Java programming. This object will be newly created. Got it? So S1 dot concat of S2 means it will referring this area. I like Java programming. Next, what I'm doing, printing S1. So there will be a question. These are the important questions in it is round one. They ask. So here only the many of the candidates are failed and they are missing their opportunities. Round one they are not clear. So example, if I'm doing I like Java programming, it is also the proof of concept for string is immutable. Even if I'm concatenating, new object is created. It won't change a state. Object does not change their state. So it will give the output as I like only because still S1 referring which one I like, not Java programming. Mark my word important. S1 dot concat of S2 means newly object is created. Still S1 is referring the older object only. This is the proof of concept for string is immutable. Next, we'll try with the another method. I literally in our previous sessions, it is like a mathematics. You can solve it in a number of ways. At last, we made the answer. That's it. So here I'm commenting the previous things. S1 dot concat of S2. Now I'm doing differently. Instead of giving these lines, I'm going the string builder concept now. We already discussed the string builder concepts. Please watch the string programming playlist and then attend this session. So here, what I'm doing means I'm going to read the input from the user. So reading the input from the user means, as usual, I like will be stored in the which area. I'll delete these things and all. It will be confusing you. So deep memory area, I like will be present. All right. Next, Java programming will be stored in the which area? This heap memory area. Internally, what is happening means next what you're doing, get that next line means I like is stored here. After this, so I'm just initially deleting this Java programming. It may be confusing to you. So initially we are not referring any S2 and all. So just do like this. I like is that next internally what I'm doing, new string builder of get dot next line. So what will happen means it will create a new objects, new string builder of So what will happen means new string builder of, okay. So internally this I like will be stored in here. The S1 object content will be stored in the character array format in string builder. It will store like this. Internally it will store like this. The character array format will be stored. So note this new newly object is created because new string builder object is created here. Okay. So what about this new string builder of this input means what input I'm giving I like means, so that will be displayed like this. Example here this time for a reference I'm giving here I space L I K E. This format will make it be stored. Next, what I'm doing, string builder equal to new string builder of get dot next line. What I'm giving next time, Java programming. Assume like this, it will be stored in the format of like this. So before that, what will happen? We are giving the get dot next line Java programming. So this Java programming will stored in the separate memory area. So paste this where it is. Yeah, copy paste it here. Yes. Next, S2 equal to new string builder of this input. Am I right? Same process. New string builder of this one. This time that is assume that it will be stored like a Java. If I'm typing, it will be lengthy or all. So character array. Assume this. So it will be stored like Java programming in the form of character array. Okay, I can't able to type it. It will be. It takes more time. Assume like this. So now S2 is referring this one. Okay, got it. So why I'm using means so in string builder we don't have concat function. Instead of that, what I'm using append function. It will append at the end of the string. Builder one already having what is that? I like. Here also one that S1 should refer this new builder only. Yes. S1 assume that I like is present. At the end of I like, this Java program will be appended. So one more important thing, there may be a millions of question. What will happen? Builder one dot append of builder 2 builder 1 dot append of builder 2. Important thing, what is about string is immutable. What about string builder string buffer mutable? So what will happen means it will not create a new string for this appending operation. Instead of that, here itself it will be modified as, instead of this what is that I like. So instead of this I like, what will happen means here itself it is modified. For a reference I'm just coloring it. So now what will happen means, so already it is present I like. So now it will give the message as I like Java programming. I'm changing the color for a reference like a green color, because string is immutable, string builder is mutable. Wait, so initially it looks like this. Initially it looks like this. So after that modification, builder one dot builder two, it looks like this. I like Java programming. Shall we check? Are you getting this output or not? I'll copy this content to save the time. So again rerun this code, check it out what is happening. I like I'm giving Java programming. See here, continuous it will come because after the Z it is happening builder one dot upon dot builder two means already it is looks like this. Now it has been changed to I like Java programming. So initially that's S1 refers I like only. After this what will happen means it will be changed like I like Java programming. I like Java programming because this appending operation adding at the end of the string is happen in builder one object itself. It won't create a new memory because it is mutable. String builder is mutable. So if I'm printing builder one, so builder one, what is that? I like Java programming. Yes, one. So it is that a builder one object. Okay, here after I have to rename it as a builder one. Then only can able to easily understand. This is builder one. This is a builder two. Builder two. Okay. So builder 2 is referring this one, builder 1 is referring this one. So now the updated builder 1 is I like Java program continuously print. It won't give the space here because I like is only is present. In case if I'm giving the space nearby E, so I like space Java program will come. So clear with this concept? Yes. Next we'll move on to the third method. So I told you a number of ways you can create it and then at last we need a final answer. So I'm using simply S1 plus S2. I'm not using any this what is that string operation concat or a string builder. So S1 plus S2 means what internally happens means the plus operator for string is not simple addition operation. Java converts this into a string new builder. Even if you're giving this S1 plus S2, it will convert it into new string builder. At the time itself, it will because initially empty object is created. At the time we are appending S1. What is that S1? I like. Append of S2. What S2 we are providing? Java programming. So initially the string builder is empty. After appending S1, what is that now? I like. So now this object will contain S1 as I like. So added to this, I am appending S2. Already I like is present. After appending, what will happen? I like Java programming. I like Java programming. At last, string builder is already present. So I'm at last converting into a string because print function will expect a string. So I'm using the toString function. So it will convert into a string. Check it out. If I'm giving I like Java programming here, so before that I have to give that input from the user. Just a minute. I'm getting the input from the user. So if memory it will be stored initially S1 and S2. I like, so it will be stored in the heap memory area because of runtime memory. I mean runtime input. Next Java programming. This is what initially stored in S1, S2. Now what I mean S1 plus S2 means what will happen in new string builder object, empty object is created. After that I'm appending S1. So you did that empty object, I like will be added at the end of the string. At last again I'm at the time itself I'm giving dot append of S2 means already append of S1 means I like is present. So followed by what will added Java programming. So these all string builder operation. So print function usually expect two string, so it will convert into two string. It will not display to us internally. It is happening. So if I'm pressing the enter key, it will give the output as I like Java programming. I hope you are clear with this explanation. Three ways we are concatenating the string. If the session is useful, then like the video and please share with your friends. Thank you for watching.